All right, so I'm pumped for this video, man. I'm super excited. Anytime I can get you guys an early look at a pair of Jordans or Nikes, whatever it is, it's exciting. Obviously, the point of this video is right here. These sneakers, Air Jordan 4 Lightning. In my opinion, this is one of the best GR Jordans of the year. These release on August 28th, and major shout out to Jordan Brand and Soul Savvy for letting me give you guys an early look at this shoe. It's important to see how the sneakers look on feet prior to buying them. I'm gonna try to give you the best possible on feet look that I can. How does the shoe look with shorts? How does it look with pants? How does it look in a full outfit? This is just my personal preference on how to style them. Yours may be completely different, but I feel like that's the ultimate determining factor for me on whether I wanna buy a shoe or not. Now, if you made up your mind and you're totally down with that shoe, buying it can be a little bit difficult. We know that. Most Jordans sell out. So that's where Soul Savvy comes into play. With accurate release info, sneaker monitors, and add to cart links, Soul Savvy gives you the tools to buy Jordans like this on release day. So if you're a Soul Savvy member and you're ready to go at 9:30 a.m., 9:45 Eastern Standard Time, that's where I'm at. The shoes drop at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Prior to the actual release, you're on your computer, you're logged into the Slack that Soul Savvy has. That is gonna be your best chance at getting these Jordans. If you're only relying on the sneakers app, then that's old news. I mean, I don't hit on the sneakers app ever. On top of that, once you're a member at Soul Savvy, you're part of the community, which is something that I'm active in as well. And it's always cool to chop it up with people, see what other people are wearing, etc. So you get the community, you get the tools to buy the shoes, and then it's up to you if you want to join or not. So if you're interested, check down in the description. There's a link to sign up for Soul Savvy. With all that said, we got to get into the how-to style. And man, one of the best Jordan releases of the year. I'm telling you, I opened the box and I was like, wow, these are bright. Holy smokes, it's a yellow shoe. How am I going to pull these off? The more I wore them, the more I became obsessed with them. Typically when I do these videos, I give you 2 looks. I got 4 here for you because I literally wore them all weekend and just took them off for the first time. They've held up well. They fit true to size. August 28th. I got a lot more how-to style stuff coming your way, guys. And when I say I have a lot more, I got a lot more. We're gonna give you some early looks going forward. We got a lot to get into this month, next month. Make sure you're subscribed here if you're new. If you like these style videos, hit that thumbs up. I know this was a long-winded intro, but thank you guys for messing with me, this channel. I just hit 200K subscribers. It's been a slow and steady grind, but thank you guys for continuing to mess with me. I truly do appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you next time. Peace.